Whenever you create or modify a Microsoft Word document, information about yourself, your computer, and your actions are recorded in the document's properties. In this lesson, you will learn how to view and modify this information. Also, great projects mean great collaboration, so we will also cover how you can share and simultaneously work on documents with your coworkers and others. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to view file properties, modify your user information, explore the sharing options available in Microsoft Word, and edit a shared file. Grace needs to share a document with a client. It is the first time that the document will be circulated outside of the WestCal organization. Grace has worked on the document, as have her teammates. It has been in production for some time, and it is likely to have accumulated many properties. These properties can include who authored the document, date information, and more. This hidden information is called metadata, which is data about data. Word continually tracks and stores data about you and your activity in a document. This information can be very useful for internal use and when collaborating with your team, but there may be elements of the metadata that are not appropriate to share with a wider audience. A share, email, or any other send of a Microsoft Word document sends more than just the content. You may also be sending confidential information that you may not wish to share. The first step for Grace is to check out what is contained in the metadata. First, you will need to open a document. Then, to view the properties of an open document, use File, Info. The properties are displayed under the Properties heading. Some properties are editable and some are not. Some properties are autofilled, such as dates, size, editing time, and so forth. To try to edit, you can click into a field or right-mouse click it and choose Edit Property. Fields such as title, tags, and comments are editable, and if they do not already contain content, these field types will display an Add message. Click into any such field to enter your data. The info screen shows a selection of properties. You can see others by using the Show All Properties choice or by choosing Advanced Properties from the Properties drop-down. A key part of file properties and document collaboration is user information, the metadata that holds your username and initials. These can appear in comments, revisions, and other items. To ensure that they are correct, click File, Options. This opens the general category of the Word Options dialog box. Here you will find fields for your username and your initials. Click these fields for the correct information and change as necessary. Click OK to apply any changes and close the Options dialog box to return to your document. Your user information is normally correct. Since the installation of the software, it is preset here in the Personalize Your Copy of Microsoft Office section of General Options. You may never need to modify these fields. Some people do make changes here. For instance, if they have multiple roles in a company, they may append the document name or initial to the username field.